If you want money more than anything, you will be bought and sold your whole life. When the world pushes you to your knees, you are in the perfect position to pray. If you are looking for a friend who is faultless, you will be friendless. Always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you would ever imagine. Yesterday, I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today, I am wise, so I am changed myself. Whenever you are alone, remind yourself and that God has sent everyone else away so that there is only you and Him. Do not look back. No one knows how the world ever began. Do not fear the future. Nothing lasts forever. If you dwell on the past or future, you will miss the moment. Silence is an ocean. Speech is a river. When the ocean is searching for you, don't walk into the river. Listen to the ocean. I looked for God. I went to a temple and I did not find Him there. Then I went to a church and I did not find Him there. Then I went to a mosque and I did not find Him there. Then finally I looked in my heart and there He was. When setting out on a journey, do not speak advice from someone who never left home. Listen with ears of tolerance. See through the eyes of compassion. Speak with the language of love. Your risk is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. It's your road and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes, because for those who love with heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. The pure heart is a spotless mirror in which images of infinity beauty are reflected. It's good to leave each day behind, like flowing water free of sadness. Yesterday is going and its tale told. Today new seeds are growing. You are not just a drop in the ocean, you are the mighty ocean in the drop. The desire to know your own soul will end all other desires. A candle never loses any of its light while lighting up another candle. To love is human, to feel pain is human, yet to still love, desire the pain is pure angel. Don't get lost in your pain. Know that one day your pain will become your cure. The heart has its own language. The heart knows 100,000 ways of speak. When you see a person who is often silent and avoid people, try to stay close to him because he has been given wisdom. Try not to resist the changes that come your way. Instead, let life live through you, and do not worry that your life is turning upside down. How do you know that the side you are used to is better than the other one to come? Raise your words, not wise. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Our greatest strength lies in the gentleness and tenderness over. Purify yourself from the attributes of self so that you may see your own pure and honest essence.